Let's go to number 7 that can make you rich. Invest in building a brand. Yes. Ano pong pag-uusapan nating branding? Kailangan po, through the years, gumawa kayo ng brand. Like for example, perfect example na popular brand is Apple. Alam mo ba, Apple, sa Forbes po, annual look at the world most popular brand for the 9th straight time. Ang brand po ng Apple is around 205 billion. 205 billion US dollars po ang value. Another brand po, Nike po, ay nako, 28 billion lang naman po. Sa fashion world po ang kanyang brand. Ganun po kamahal ang brand. At isa pang brand na pwede mo talagang i-build, nako friend, makinig ka, is what? Good name and reputation. That is a good brand. Your name is your brand. You should protect your brand. You should protect your name. Why? It took you years to build the brand. It took you years to build your name and reputation, but it only takes a few seconds to destroy it. Kaya huwag kayong magkakamali. Uulitin ko, huwag kayong magkakamali na piliin po yung pera versus reputation. Building period po ng good name and reputation po, good brand, many years or a lifetime. And last, may bonus po ako. Dapat 7 lang po, pero ginawa ko na ng 8. Oo, bonus na po. Ngayon ko lang po naalala. The 8th way, bonus! Yes! Pero bago ko bigay ang bonus, like muna. Click like muna kung nagustuhan nyo. Grabe, haba ng effort natin.